Welcome. Today we're going to show you a little bit about measuring fans and installed performance of a fan and confirming that it's meeting the requirements of building regulations. We have a fan, piece of ducting and a grill.
Yes.
Let's measure it.
Okay.
How do we do that?
Tissue test.
Oh, the old tissue test.
Here we go.
Just one ply.
Yeah, one ply. One sheet is plenty.
One sheet is plenty, yeah.
Okay. What do we need?
Oh, so this fan is continuous running.
Okay.
We've set it. Installed performance, we require a minimum of 10 litres a second.
Okay.
For this instance.
Yeah, as an example.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the tension.
Sorry, just get it on there. Come on.
Yes, he's passed.
Beautiful. Happy? Great. We'll see you in the next.
Yeah.
What?
It's not right.
Why is it not right? It's working. It's passed.
Doesn't tell me how many litres a second it needs.
Well, is that not equivalent to like 10 litres a second?
No.
12?
No.
Oh. So what am I going to use?
Let's use a measuring device.
Oh, yeah, that's all right. One of these.
Yeah.
Testo hood.
Okay. So we've got one of them, but we need a measuring device.
You need one of these.
Yes.
Testo 417.
Excellent. But
What's
this won't quite fit over that. Have you got another one?
Yeah, I have. While I'm getting the other one, just pop downstairs and get it. You tell people what that is.
So what we've got here is a vein type measuring device known as, teeth are in, an anemometer.
Ooh, easy for you to say.
Yeah.
And here's another proprietary hood.
Okay.
Means it's designed to work with that anemometer.
So what we can do is we can apply this to this.
Oh, yeah.
There you go, my friend.
Just nicely clip it in.
Put it in place. Click is out. There you go.
Click it in so it don't fall off.
Click it in place. Nice and secure. Tell the unit we're using the proprietary part.
Easy for you to see again.
Yeah, proprietary part, the old
hood.
That'll be the one. Yeah. We have to use the two together. We can't make up.
And how do we tell that to work with that?
We've set the menu up and we said use the F factor.
Oh, the fun factor.
The fun factor.
We like to call it the fun factor.
Yeah, absolutely.
Measuring airflow is fun.
So, let's measure it.
Go on then, measure it.
Fair enough then.
Okay. We need 10 litres a second.
10 litres a second.
Yeah, I'll hold this just because it's sat on the desk.
Not a problem. Nice seal here. Got a nice handle here, so I don't even need to hold the measuring device. Even better still.
Get nice and flush.
Okay.
Up against the ceiling or wall, whatever you're measuring.
There we go. Plopped into place.
Cover the full fan.
Right. Oh, tell you what,
10 litres a second.
We needed 10, didn't we?
Yeah.
15.
Thank God for that.
15 and a bit more.
Glad we're achieving that.
Oh, yeah. So,
good.
Not a problem.
Perfect. We're more than adequate.
Yes.
Well above 10. That'll do us.
Just a bit of curiosity.
Yeah.
My seal is good here.
Yeah.
What happens if the ceiling's not great? What happens if I'm not pushing it on properly?
Yeah, a bit of a dodgy plastering going on.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Let's move it away a little bit. Just a couple of mil. Go on, good fight. That'll do. About 5 mil in my mind.
Right, okay. I didn't notice. Right, so we've got a little air gap, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, crikey. We was
10.
doing 15s, we're 8.
Oh.
8.5s.
So that's not...
So an airtight seal is a big thing.
Again, just skin it on the ceiling.
Yeah.
Get it nice and gone. Push it back
in.
Nice and flush.
That's it. We're back into play. Oh, it's jumped straight up again now. So 14s, edging over. Yeah, 14.9. So we're back close around the 15s again.
What if we change the install?
If we put more ducting on it? Yeah, let's try a bit more ducting.
Look at this. Here's your gravity grill. Ooh. No. It's not a gravity grill.
No, it's a louvered grill. He likes gravity grills.
Gravity. I like gravity grills. No, I don't like gravity grills. They make a lot of noise.
Yeah.
Louvered grill.
Okay.
Couple of bends. Bearing in mind this ducting is not sealed.
No, okay.
There's no sealing on there just so we can get it on and off, and it's not mechanically fixed.
Okay, because they do need to be mechanically fixed.
Screwed and glued, as we like to call it in the industry.
Yeah.
Although we don't like to use glue.
We don't use it. Bit non-hardening acrylic. However, 2 bends, louvered grill. We needed 10.
Yeah.
We're still, 13s.
Ah,
so we're still
good strong fan.
Getting what we
resistant
needed.
to do what we need. What if I plays devil advocate and block the system?
Okay.
Flexi ducts squashed and kinked.
Bit of the old
fly screen.
Bit of the old tumble dryer ducting.
Yeah, we all like that.
Right, so we've dropped now considerably. So we're 5s, 4s, 4.5s, 4.5s.
Can we get to...
Yeah. So 4.3, 4.4. You're being a bit mean, aren't you?
Okay, I'll let some air out.
Yeah, let a little bit of air out. Okay, so we're 8s.
8s.
8s, 9s, 7s, 8s. It's
Try
not
the
10.
tissue test. Try the tissue test.
Oh, okay. Right.
Go on.
Come on.
Yes.
It's passed.
Yes.
It's passed.
Yes.
It's passed. Oh, it's dropped.
No.
It's dropped. Yeah,
but it's passed.
Oh, it's passed. It must be 18. All right.
Why?
Because we're not even doing 10.
Yeah, but it's holding a tissue.
Yeah.
We all know that's a common way of
tissue test is not good enough. You need to use a measuring device with proprietary parts.
Oh, it's easy for you to say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what we're going to make sure is our measuring devices are checked regularly.
Oh, that's calibrated
That's the one.
annually,
Okay. And it's got to
which
be
is every year,
yeah, within what, a tolerance?
plus or minus 5%.
There we go.
Yeah. So make sure if you're going to measure your fans, use a suitable piece of equipment.
Yeah.
Anemometer.
Yeah. And all the proprietary parts, the correct hoods and features and everything.
We'll give you the Testo 417, our preferred method, because it's nice, sturdy, robust, and accurate. Beautiful.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you. See you soon.